So let's add the health over to the enemy so we can see when we are hitting them. And I don't know why I didn't do this in the last episode. It's actually quite easy, but let's take the health mesh here and add it under there. So we have the prefab and the UI, and then we have the spawner. So we're gonna put it inside here and put it under there, and just make sure that the position is 0. So it's up here. And then we need to change a bit inside the health script. So we actually just gonna do the same as we did in um, let's see, I'm just gonna move this down, health here. So inside our health player we added this part, visualized field, take damage, and we're just gonna take all of that in here, like this, and they're gonna give us an error here, it's just the same. So we're gonna put in like that. And then we are going to borrow this line as well, else take damage line, and we're gonna put it down. And let's see the C health equals right here, and then we're gonna let it update with that, and let's test it out. So I think, did I attach it to this guy? Yeah. So no, it was not this guy. Maybe this one. So just need to see who I gave it to so we can see this goes wrong. It was this guy, and so we can currently not see it, so we have to investigate why. So let's see, go into the tag, and it's, oh yeah, so inside the health script we now got this take damage, so we're gonna add it. Make sure that you take the combat spawn from here, combat spawn, and let's just apply all. So now actually this guy also have it, and go see how that goes. So and now we have, you can see that it's getting spawned. We are just not sure where. So let's find it there and see where it goes. So it's all the way up here, and that's why we cannot see it when we are inside the game, because we are down here in the view. So I think we have to look at spawn text. So let's go into the prefab UI, look at the text here where it's have this position. So let's change that to 0. And now the player will probably be offset, but the enemy will work. So let's see here. Yeah. And now the player is offset. So what we need to do is go into the prefab player, open here. So we actually need to move this up on the player. So see if that works. Maybe just swap weapons so we can see. So we have 3, 5. So this is like the basic now we have. So the next couple of videos will be like where we polish it, makes it look better, works better, add some options. So first I'm gonna make a video where I show all the different things that you can add, and then I will make many small videos where you can like click in onto the video what the parts are, what you want. So if you want to make it in TextMesh Pro, if you want shadows, if you want to change the color with critical and stuff like that. If you want to make able to change the layout and give the player opportunities to that, or at least that's the plan. So that's what I'm gonna work on now.